This video shows a delivery robot system built for an undergraduate thesis at Telkom University Surabaya. The robot can find a person, navigate to them, confirm their identity, and hand over a package. The system has three main parts. The first one, a state machine that controls the robot step by step. Second, a position database, a file that stores where each person usually stands, mapped to the robot environment. Third, a detection pipeline using YOLO5 version and InsightFace to find and confirm who the recipient. The robot runs on a Jetson Xavier compute unit paired with Arduino Mega for sensing. It uses a Hokuyo LiDAR for mapping and obstacle avoidance, and ASUS Xtion camera, depth camera for person detection. The software runs on Noetic. One important design choice: the camera is turned off while the robot is moving. This prevents a hardware conflict between the camera and the LiDAR on the same USB bus. The delivery workflow is controlled by state machine with 6 stages. It starts in idle, where the robot reads the database and finds the goal location. When it moves to navigating, driving to that location. Next is delivering. The camera turns on and the robot checks who is in front of it. If the correct person is found, the robot goes to complete, then return home. If the person is not found within 20 seconds, a special state called find alternate is triggered. The robot searches other location in database. Now I'd like to show you how this workflow operates. To get a person coordinates, we must navigate the robot to the person location using 2D nav goal. Once the robot reaches the person, we must activate two pipelines, YOLO and coordinate transformer. After that, the person position will be automatically detected and saved to the YAML database. First, you need to enter the command rosparam/delivery/recipient name, for example, Farhan, which is already stored in database. Second, for sensing and verification, we need to enable YOLO first. Third, visualize the database within the occupancy map using visualization database. Don't forget to enable the map after all three pipelines have been run. You can see the 3 person markers from the database in the occupancy map. Now I will demonstrate the delivery of stuff or anything to Farhan. You can see in the terminal on the left that the robot has been instructed to move to Farhan position. Once it arrives, YOLO will detect the person and verify that the item or stuff or anything was received and by the same person as specified. all that is done, the robot automatically returns to the origin position and displays the position error. The robot then enters idle mode and waits for the next command. As you can see, there's no one within that radius. Previously, I had set Farhan as the target person. Within 25 seconds, YOLO will detect and verify whether there is anyone there. In this case, Farhan is not at that location. So the robot searches the database for the nearest person. For example, Aldevan is near Farhan. After handing the item to Aldevan, the robot returns to origin position or starting position and is ready to receive the next command. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video demonstration. If you are interested in trying out my project, I've included a link to the GitHub repository and the description section. Thank you.